Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy to be here to help you with your decluttering. I have a true passion for decluttering, and today I've compiled a list of 18 things to get rid of before summer. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe for more inspiring decluttering videos. Number 1, old sunscreen. You don't want to wear old sunscreen that isn't even effective. If it's broken down and it isn't working any longer, you'll have false protection. You'll think your skin is protected, and in reality, it won't be functioning at all. Number 2, old worn out or broken pool toys. If you have floaties that aren't holding air anymore or have holes in them, or you may blow them out and get out into the pool and have false security. If they're worn out or start leaking air, you may not make it back if you can't swim. Number 3, old worn out or faded beach towels. You don't need to keep those around. Pick out your favorites and get rid of the rest. Number 4, old, faded, worn out chair cushions that have been out in the weather in the rain. Even though they're waterproof, they only last so long. If they're torn, damaged, stained, or just faded and worn out, it's time to let those go and go pick something nice and something that'll be more durable for the upcoming season. Number 5, old, broken, or damaged or scratched sunglasses. It's time to let them go. I'm sure you'll have a backup pair somewhere in your house, or you can pick up a new pair this season. They don't have to be expensive, but if they're scratched or broken, they're really not useful at all. Just go ahead and throw those out if you haven't gotten them fixed yet, and they really aren't worth fixing. It's time to let them go. Number 6, old bathing suits that don't fit properly. They're faded or damaged, or the elastic has gone. If they're worn out and don't fit, it's just time to let those go. No one wants to see those, and you're not going to be comfortable pulling those out and putting them on. Just go ahead and pick up a nice, decent swimsuit. You don't have to spend a lot of money, but you'll feel so much better putting on a swimsuit that fits better or doesn't need to be repaired. Number 7, old or dirty or unraveling beach hats. If you have a beach hat that's seen better days and is coming apart or just flat out dirty and can't be washed or cleaned, just go ahead and replace that beach hat. Let the old ones go. Number 8, broken lawn tools or garden tools. If they aren't functional and they haven't been fixed or maybe can't be repaired, there's no use in keeping those things around. Just have some on hand that are functional and useful. Number 9, broken or cracked flower pots. If you have ceramic or clay flower pots that are damaged, they could be really sharp and you could get cut. They also could be leaking water, or if they're plastic and faded and just look really bad, it's time to let those extra flower pots go. Number 10, old or worn out or faded doormats. Some of these doormats really start coming apart when they get older and they make a mess of all the straw all around and they really look sloppy. And if they're faded or just too dirty to clean, that's no way to welcome your guests. You want to have something nice and clean, something that's actually functional, so people can really wipe their feet and not track into your house. Number 11, clothing in your closet that doesn't fit good or feel good when you put it on. If it's worn out or damaged and you haven't had it repaired, or you just pass over it and haven't worn it in more than 2 years, just pack those things up and let them go. You'll be so happy to not see those hanging around in your closet any longer. Number 12, things that you don't decorate with anymore. Any decorations that you push aside and haven't set out in the last couple of years, or they're faded from the sun if you use them outdoors, it's really time just to let those things go. You're better off not having those things than to have things piled around that you aren't using and don't plan to use again. Number 13, coats, jackets, and sweaters. It's a great time to let those things go. If you haven't worn them this winter or the previous winter, then you know you're probably really not going to wear them again, especially if they don't fit or have broken zippers. Just go ahead and donate those things, because when the weather is warm, it really makes it a lot easier to donate those type of things. It's great to donate them in the off season when you're not thinking about maybe needing them again soon. Number 14, hats, gloves, and scarves that you didn't wear this year or the previous year. If you haven't worn those things and you don't need them, why keep them around? They may be worn out or you've washed them and they look dingy. Just go ahead and throw those things out or donate the ones that are salvageable. Number 15, sandals and flip-flops. This is a really great time to go through all of your shoes and get rid of your old tennis shoes and your sandals and flip-flops that are really seeing better days. And if they don't fit well or they're coming apart or need repair, just go ahead and let those things go and get yourself a new pair for the new season. Number 16, broken, faded, or torn patio umbrellas. If your umbrella is a mess and folding up on your company, just go ahead and let it go. There's no use in having it fold up when you're trying to entertain or have company during a barbecue. Number 17, outdoor kids' toys. If you have playhouses or bikes and slides and trikes, any of those things, even balls that are deflated or faded in the yard, or maybe the dog has gotten a hold of it and bit some holes in it, just go ahead and pick those things up. Don't leave those laying around the yard to just blow around and be there in the summer to have to mow around and maintain. Just let those things go, especially if your kids have outgrown them. And number 18, old barbecue grills. This is a big one. We just recently got rid of a barbecue grill because it was many years old and it was really dirty, and we cleaned it, and some of the elements inside needed replaced, and it was a lot more effective just to buy a new barbecue grill than to keep trying to fix that old rusty grill. We got rid of it and we're so happy we did. Now we don't have to worry about the barbecue catching on fire every time we try to cook something. I'm so glad you're here. I really hope this decluttering list was helpful to you and encouraging you to get rid of the things that you don't need to keep around your house any longer. You'll feel so much happier and so much better with all of these things gone. And if you need to replace some, you'll have a great time going out and finding some new things to replace these old, broken, worn out things or things you didn't use in the first place. I'm so happy you're here. I appreciate it so much, and I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe so you can come back for many more decluttering and cleaning videos. I'll see you next time.